China's celebrations of the so-called peaceful liberation of Tibet is in reality a farce. What 60 years of Chinese rule in Tibet means is 60 years of failed policies in Tibet. Human rights conditions in Tibet have only worsened. The language policies meant Tibetan students as young as 12 taking to the streets to oppose its implementation. The environmental policies, and in particular the forced eviction of the Tibetan nomads from the grasslands, is proving disastrous for Tibet's ecosystem and for the world environment. China's family planning policies have denied Tibetan women their reproductive rights. Tibetans have from the very beginning resisted Chinese rule and have employed various non-violent tactics, for instance, the intellectual and the cultural renaissance, to oppose these policies. It is these policies that have compelled Tibetans to willingly risk their lives in pursuit of freedom and in appealing for the return of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. The arrogance of China's Communist Party and its stranglehold on Tibet for 60 long years is an affront to justice and to the international condemnation of Chinese rule in Tibet. His Holiness has called Tibet under Chinese rule as hell on earth. The CTA based in exile India has called the recently released white paper coinciding with the 60th anniversary as nothing but a whitewash to cover up China's disastrous mismanagement in Tibet. It is time for the CCP to withdraw and to rescind their repressive policies in Tibet and to allow the Tibetans the freedom that they have consistently and unwaveringly fought for the last 60 years. The CCP is 90 years old, and it is time for it to retire and end the 60 years of long-standing injustices against Tibet and the Tibetan people.